Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export your performance data from Google Search Console? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your performance data in Google Search Console anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to work with SEO agencies, or maybe you want to provide that data to your AI like ChatGPT. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to export your search data, first make sure you're working in the correct property up here on the top left. Once you've chosen the correct website, you want to click here on Performance. Once you click there, click on Search Results. Next, what you want to do is choose the data time frame. So for this video, I'll choose the past 3 months. All right, once you have the data period, you want to go ahead and click on Export here on the top right. After that, you can go ahead and choose the file type. I'll choose CSV. Okay, it immediately starts downloading. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the zip file. I went ahead and opened it up. So you can see it's split up by countries, dates, devices, filter, pages, queries, and search appearance. So let me go ahead and open one of these up and show you what it looks like. Let's go ahead and choose based on pages. Okay, so here is what the performance data looks like as a spreadsheet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export or download your performance data from Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.